So folks, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look here at this Nature's Freedom. This is 45% vinegar. Most of the vinegar you buy in a store in a gallon container, it's going to be about 5% vinegar. So this is highly concentrated here. And so we're going to use this for weed control today. So I'm going to show you a before and an after. I believe this is also made in Ohio as well. So we're going to put this to use and see what results we get. So we're going to use a Smith contractor sprayer here, and essentially we're going to take half a gallon of the 45% vinegar. We're also going to add a bit of dish soap. So what this dish soap helps with is pretty much to help the whole concoction stick pretty much to the weeds and all that we want to get rid of. And the other thing I'm going to throw in there too, which I often do, is some orange oil as well, limonene, D-limonene pretty much. So I kind of make a good vinegar and olive oil, not olive oil, orange oil concoction together to put on the plants. No, we're not eating salad here. So we're going to add our vinegar here. We got gloves on, we got eye pro on. Just taking it nice and easy here. We're going to put in about half a gallon or so. Now keep in mind, this is just the way I mix it, so what you do is kind of up to you. This is just kind of what I do. Okay, next thing is we're just going to add just a little bit of dish soap. We don't need to overdo it. And then now we got our orange oil. We're going to add some of this. Then we're going to dilute the whole thing with just straight up plain water. Okay folks, so we have our mixture here, and here's what we have to contend with. Is we have an area where it's kind of like a graveled driveway area. But as you can see, we have a lot of weeds coming up through the stones and stuff. So that's where we're aiming to get rid of and eradicate some of this. So we gave our mix here a good shake just to get it, make sure it's all mixed up. And yeah, we're just going to start spraying here and get rid of these weeds. As we can see right here, we got plenty to deal with. And we'll see what results we get tomorrow. Okay folks, so our Nature's Freedom 45% vinegar, how did it perform on the weeds? Well, let's have a look here. Well, it ended up doing a great job. Look at all that. There are a few little survivors poking through, but that's not a problem. We can come back and take those out. Yeah, everything is looking good. It definitely killed off probably at least 90% of it. And let's look up here near where I park, and this was all green yesterday and not anymore, so we got that taken care of. There are, like I said, there's a couple survivors there, so either they did not succumb or we need to spray again there, but pretty much took everything out, so super happy with that. So anyways folks, if you do the math, ordering this, even if you dilute it down to 5%, that makes you 9 gallons. If you add up supermarket costs and all that, I think right now per gallon. So with this, there's a little bit of a savings there. And then also too, if you want to go strong with it, just like for doing in the weeds there, you can do that too. So anyways, very effective. Definitely check this out, and y'all have a good day.